Wendy and I are getting Galopin, my boat, ready to sail. He's been waiting a few things, including this.
Got my shroud. It's not cheap. It was 170, but Kai gave me a discount. Got it for 150 euros. They're the only ones that can do that here, and frankly, you know, everything's expensive on boats, but I appreciate Kai and Boat CV and all the people there. They do a good job. They're cool. I like them. So there.
Fair price for an important part. Now,
this is my friend's car. He usually drives a really loud motorcycle, but tell us about this car, man.
This is a very nice Mercedes-Benz from '69 with a diesel engine. We are trying to fix it. We're 10 years long fixing it, put it up like it is right now.
Wow. So where do you keep it? In a garage?
No.
In a street?
Street. Everybody love it. It's not the show, but it's a very fine engine.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
It's like a Swiss clock.
Uh-huh.
You should go for a ride one of these days.
Okay, sounds good. I'm gonna go have a drink over to Jose's now.
Yes. Okay. Maybe I'll be there.
That's a cool car.
See you later.
All right. See ya.
that is the African car, a diesel Mercedes. Look at that. Even the signal lights work. I absolutely love it.
Okay, work has begun on the floor.
The companionway was done. It just needed some non-stick tape applied.
Oh, motherfucker.
But even that isn't easy at times. Oh, come on, you wanker.
I'm only doing certain panels of the floor at a time, so I can still manage to live in the boat while things are drying. And I'm doing the first two on the left here, port side. Then I'll do the long piece and then the one under my navigation table. Look at everybody. Wendy's working. Oh, Wendy. Say hola to gents.
Hola, guys.
El Truvaya. And Amy. El Gusta Galopin Cuidadel. She's a good girl. I love my Wendy.
She was scrubbing, I was painting, now dry.
What's up? Gusta Cuidar de Galopin?
Yeah. And Galopin merece ser cuidado.
Minha cabeça.
Vou cabeça, tá? Meu cabeça. Tá com o cabelo.
Show cabelo. Now check this out. Wendy not only cleaned the bilges super nicely, but look, cut my hair. I love her. She's so she's the best. Okay, now we're gonna have some hamburger. No, comer hamburger. Merece. She deserves it. All right.
And after the burgers, we danced.
Okay, all the floor panels are nice and dry. Wendy cleaned it all nice down here in the bilges. Let's put these babies back on. Can't wait because it was a bit a little tricky to walk here like this past few days. Wendy managed to dance here. She's a star.
Okay, we're absolutely floored. Now what? Our friend's daughter's bash.
Comment motherfuckers.
The motherfuckers, yeah. What are we doing here? What are we doing here? But why are we here drinking?
I don't know.
Because we're at some birthday parties for little kids.
Some little chicken monkeys.
We got kids and mothers.
Yeah. We crashed the kids' birthday parties to try to hook up with some hot,
And the
hot moms.
best one is Antonia.
Yeah.
See how far like Bluetooth goes.
And this is the reason why we're here.
My goal.
This is the reason why we're here. Look,
The reason why we're here is I want to try that rum.
we're here with this French guy. He's got a French shirt on.
Really good rum.
My Bluetooth goes 25 centimeters.
So we're gonna do.
How much is that?
So
$100?
this is the reason why we're here. Because John invited us to his daughter's birthday party, and while they're over there having fun, we're over here at the bar having fun. With this is good stuff. You can't trust those Americans, man. They're dangerous.
It was a friend's daughter's birthday bash, but also an early Cabo Verde independence party. Who knew?
Alrighty, I gotta move my boat today. My good friend Henrik, the drunken Swede, he's moving back to Sweden for a year, and he's gonna take a mooring here. Now, problem is, I'm gonna let him use my mooring because it's more secure until this mooring up just in front of us is free. This French dude was supposed to go, but he hasn't gone yet. So Cheetah asked me if I could take that mooring just for a couple days until that dude splits.
He left without paying $80 he owed to my friend Cheetah. Dishonest little Frenchman. Salopard.
Anyways, I'm gonna take Galopin out for a little buzz around the port here, just let the engine run. I'm not gonna sail or anything because I still haven't installed stay there, my short stay, which is here, it's all ready.
I need someone to get halfway up the mast to install it. That'll happen. But now I have to move.
Managed. It's hard though. My back is killing me. It's killing me from painting and being squatted over and some action with, oh well, now we won't lift the lines up and they're all tangled up and fix them up. Anyways, I think we're more okay for now. I just didn't want to touch this buoy because I was touching it. If my boat swings, I can always tie a line to that buoy, but I don't think it's going to swing in the next few days, and I should be able to take another mooring soon when this French dude leaves. But anyways, now I can go tell Henrik that he can move into his mooring and I can help him. Yep, I'm pretty close to that buoy, but I'm not touching it. That's the main thing. I could always pull a little more, another meter up front, but let's see. Depends on the tides too. No big deal. Oh, there it goes. See, I'm fine. Just fine.
Now I had to go get my friend Henrik at the floating bar. He's patiently drinking for me. My friend Dylan was out with his daughter and said hello.
So Henrik, what's going on? Where are you going?
I'm just going back to Europe to have a little bit of working, refuel my wallets, and then come back.
We were waiting for the wind to die down a bit before moving his boat. By the way, Dylan has offered me some time on one of his wet bikes. I've been wanting to do that with Wendy. She's never been on one. It'd be a blast. One of these days. Now let's get back to Henrik. He's gonna need some help.
These two motherfuckers, man. They're gonna be leaving soon. I'm gonna miss them.
We leave, we come back.
Remember when you met us, we have, I think, 20 kilos.
Less.
Oh, 35 maybe.
Yeah, look at them. They're
fat motherfuckers now. Oh yeah,
No, I show this.
fat and happy.
We are happy, sir.
She's a good chef.
Yeah. So Henry,
Me too. You are a good
Oh, I'm a
chef,
good chef
baby.
too.
Yeah, yeah.
so
yeah.
Henry, tell us
I
what.
cook tomato. You cook.
I cooked tomato. So Henrik, what's going on? Where are you going?
I'm just going back to Europe to have a little bit of working, refuel my wallet, and then come back.
No,
of course.
he want to say he go to the court.
Of course.
Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Wind and Voyage, a real living adventure series. It's not fake, baby.